Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone listening around the world. It's great to be back here today.
Yes, it's wonderful to see you, David. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. Actually, I feel very professional today.
Professional? Oh, really? Why do you feel professional today?
Because I've been thinking about work, about big international meetings, business events, and conferences.
Ah, yes, like a conference.
Exactly. A place where people from many countries come together to share ideas. It's exciting, but honestly, it can also be a little scary.
Scary? Why is that?
Because everyone speaks English. It's the international language, and sometimes I feel nervous.
Yes, that's true. At international conferences, English is the global language. Many people feel the same way, excited but a little shy.
Exactly. My English is okay, but in a big group, I get nervous.
Then, David, this is perfect because our topic today is how to use English at an international conference and feel confident.
Oh, wow. I really need this one. And I think many of our listeners do too.
Yes, this topic is very useful for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to sound confident in international settings.
All right, I'm ready to learn.
Me too. But first, let's say hello to everyone listening.
Hello, everyone.
We're so happy you're here. If you enjoy this podcast, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast.
Yes, and share it with a friend who's learning English. It really helps us make more free lessons for you.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's get started.
Emily. Help. I'm at the conference and I'm very nervous.
Don't worry, David. My first tip is simple but powerful. Be prepared.
Prepared? Prepared for what?
For your introduction. At a conference, you'll say your introduction many times, so you should practice it beforehand, even in front of a mirror.
Oh, I see. Practice my introduction. What do I say?
Just 3 short sentences. Hello, my name is. I am from. I am a. Your job or your role.
Okay, let me try. Hello, my name is David. I am from Canada. I am an English teacher.
Perfect, clear, and confident.
That's easy. I can remember that.
Exactly. The key is to practice until it feels natural. Then you won't feel nervous.
Got it. So tip 1, prepare your introduction. Simple, short, and strong. So I'm walking around the conference. There are many people and everyone is talking. I feel shy. I just stand near the coffee table.
Yes, the coffee table is always full of shy people. But here's a secret tool, David, the name badge.
The badge? You mean the tag on their shirt?
Exactly. Every conference gives you a name badge with your name, your country, and your company.
Oh, yes. Mine says David, Canada, Mr. English Channel.
Perfect. You can use it to start conversations. Just look at someone's badge. It's okay. Everyone does it. Then you can say, "Hello, Maria," or "Hi, John," from Spain.
Oh, people love when you say their name. It feels friendly.
Exactly. And it gives you easy conversation starters. For example, "You're from Spain?" "Oh, I love Spain. I visited Barcelona last year."
That's such a good idea. The name badge helps you make your first connection.
Now you've said hello, but what do you talk about next?
Uh-oh. That's always the hard part.
It's actually easy. Just use small talk, simple, friendly topics that everyone can discuss.
Like what?
Here are safe and friendly topics for conferences: the conference itself, the talks or presentations, the food and coffee, the weather, the city.
Let's try it. I'll start. Hi, Maria. Are you enjoying the conference?
Perfect. That's natural and friendly.
Or did you see the talk about business innovation?
Yes, that's great too. Keep it light. No politics or heavy topics.
So, easy topics help people relax and talk more.
Exactly. Small talk equals small stress.
Okay, Emily. Now I'm in a big hall listening to a smart speaker. They finish the talk and ask, "Any questions?" I have a question, but I'm scared.
That's very common. Remember our rule: communication, not perfection.
Ah, yes. I love that rule.
Your question doesn't have to be perfect, just polite and clear. Here's a simple structure. Hello? Thank you for your talk. My question is,
Let me try. Hello. Thank you for your talk. My question is, what do you think about the future of online learning?
that's excellent. What if I didn't understand something the speaker said?
Then just ask. Say, "I'm sorry, could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you explain the last part?"
Oh, that's easy and polite.
Yes. Never be afraid to ask. It shows interest and confidence.
Okay, Emily, I survived the presentations. I asked my question. Now the day is ending. People are talking, and I meet Maria again. What should I do?
Perfect timing, David. This is when you exchange business cards.
Right. I have my card. It says David, English teacher, Mr. English podcast.
Excellent. When you finish your conversation, say something polite like, "It was very nice to meet you." Then you can say, "Here's my business card."
Okay, and then I give it to her?
Yes, and after that, you can say, "May I have your card, please?"
Oh, that's polite. I like that.
Yes, and when she gives it to you, don't just put it in your pocket right away.
Oh no, why not?
Because in many cultures, that looks a little rude. Instead, look at the card for a moment. Read the name, maybe the company, and smile.
Ah, so I should show interest and respect.
Exactly. You can even say, "Oh, thank you, Maria. I see you work for Tech Vision. Very interesting."
Then I can put it in my pocket.
Yes, that small action shows good manners and professionalism.
That's a great tip. Simple, but powerful. Okay, so we exchanged cards, but now I want to leave and get some coffee. How do I end the conversation politely?
Excellent question. You never want to just walk away. You can use a polite excuse. Here are a few examples. "It was great talking to you. I'm going to get some coffee." Or, "It was nice to meet you. I have to make a phone call." Or, "I'm going to the next presentation. Enjoy the rest of the conference."
Oh, those are perfect. They sound polite and natural.
Yes, always end with a smile and good energy. Networking is about positive impressions.
So I'll say, it was lovely to meet you, Maria. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Perfect. That sounds professional and friendly.
Okay, now one more thing. Conferences have people from all over the world. Japan, India, France, Mexico. They all speak English, but with different accents. Sometimes it's hard to understand.
Yes, that's a very real challenge. But don't worry, it's normal. Even native speakers sometimes have trouble understanding different accents.
Really? So it's not just me?
Of course not. I sometimes have trouble understanding people from Scotland or New Zealand. Their accents are strong.
Oh, that makes me feel better.
Good. The secret is don't panic. Just listen for the key words, the important words. You don't need to understand every single word to understand the meaning.
Right. Focus on the main idea.
Exactly. And if you really can't understand, it's 100% okay to ask. Say things like, I'm sorry, could you please repeat that? Could you speak a little slower, please? I didn't catch that. Can you say it again?
Ah, I love that phrase. I didn't catch that. It sounds very natural.
Yes, and people won't be angry. In fact, they'll respect you for asking politely.
That's true. Everyone is there to communicate.
Exactly. Remember, communication, not perfection. Okay, listeners, it's your turn now. Let's do a mini role play.
Ooh, fun.
Imagine you are at a big international conference. You're meeting a person for the first time. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is blank.
I'm from blank.
I work as a blank.
Good. Now let's practice using the name badge.
Look at the badge and say, Hello, Maria. Nice to meet you.
Very good. Next, small talk. Are you enjoying the conference?
Or, did you see the talk this morning?
Excellent. And now let's end the conversation politely. Repeat, it was very nice to meet you, Maria. Enjoy the rest of the conference.
Great job, everyone. These small phrases can make a big difference in real life. Let's review today's key vocabulary.
Yes, here are our top phrases and what they mean. Be prepared. Practice before the event. Be prepared with your introduction. Name badge. The tag with your name and country. Look at their name badge. Small talk. Friendly, simple conversation. We made small talk about coffee. Business card. A card with your job and contact info. I gave her my business card. Polite excuse. A nice way to end a chat. I'm going to get some coffee. Accent. The way people pronounce words. He has a strong French accent. Communication, not perfection. Focus on meaning, not grammar. I understood even if I made mistakes.
Listeners, you can write these phrases down and practice them before your next meeting or conference.
Wow, Emily, this was such a useful episode. I feel ready to speak English at any conference now.
I'm so happy to hear that, David, and I hope our listeners feel more confident too.
Let's do a quick review before we go.
Sure. Tip 1. Prepare your introduction. Tip 2. Use the name badge. Tip 3. Make small talk. Tip 4. Ask polite questions. Tip 5. Exchange business cards correctly. Tip 6. End conversations politely. Tip 7. Don't worry about accents.
Excellent summary. Remember, friends, every time you speak English, you get better. Confidence grows with practice.
Yes, practice, smile, and be kind. That's the secret to good communication.
Well, Emily, look at the time. It always flies when we talk.
It sure does.
Thank you, everyone, for listening today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast channel, click the like button, and share it with your friends or colleagues.
And tell us in the comments, have you ever been to an international conference?
How did you feel speaking English there?
We'd love to read your stories and your tips too. Thank you, everyone. See you next time on Mr. English Podcast.
Bye, Emily.
Bye, David.
Bye-bye, everyone.